Today I'm going to show you how to use and install our doorbell. The first what we have to do is to turn it and open from behind. You have to press this place and push forward to hear the click. Then take it off. And here we have the battery place. Open. Place the batteries. Plus the plus. Minus the minus. Close it. And the next step gonna be to install the application of the doorbell. Guys, don't worry, this is the sound when somebody gonna take the doorbell from your door. So this is only an alarm, and when you leave it 15 seconds, it's gonna stop.